The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by the Travel Mom. Hey, if you're looking for a spot to capture the spirit of Halloween, look no further. Our friend Emily Kaufman, the Travel Mom, is just back from a place that is ready to host you for some family-friendly fun, and we love having her on the show. Emily, good morning.
Well, good morning, my friend. I'm not just back from there. I'm actually here at Great Wolf Lodge. Great Wolf Lodge is the perfect place to have a howlin' good time because it's their Halloween season right now. And that means they've got all kinds of decor, festivities, food and drink, including a nightly Monster Bash family-friendly dance party where kids wear costumes. Sometimes the grown-ups do too. They've got a trick-or-treat trail where you can get sweet treats, including Haribo gummies. They've also got an arts and crafts station where kids can make projects they take home, and an outdoor maze with bales of hay, creating the perfect environment to celebrate Halloween.
And it looks so wonderful and safe too. I know that that's a really big deal for parents, that you can do all your trick-or-treating in one wonderful spot where everybody's dressed up and excited to see you. I want to ask about special food and drink items for the Halloween festivities.
Well, Halloween definitely is a time for good food and good drink, and you won't be disappointed with Great Wolf Lodge. In fact, they've created a spook-easy experience with bubbly, and the kids can come make their special potions over a witch's cauldron, and they've got some adult potions and beverages as well. And they've got seasonal favorites like pumpkin milkshakes and a howlin' wagyu burger, so there's really something for everyone to enjoy.
I'm really impressed by that black burger. It looks appropriate and spooky for the season. Have to know about you, Emily. You travel the world, my friend. You come to us all the time from different destinations. What is it that you enjoy about Great Wolf Lodge?
You know, Rosie, I'm a water slide fanatic. And they've got an indoor water park at Great Wolf Lodge. So no matter what the weather is outside, it's 82 degrees and wonderful inside. They've got the water slides, the lazy river, and so much more. And there are also so many other family-friendly activities to choose from. There's bowling and mini golf. There's a ropes course, an arcade, and something called Magic Quest that is so much fun. And the best place to learn about planning a trip to Great Wolf is to go to greatwolf.com.
Sounds good to me. And if I know you like I think I do, you almost always have a little giveaway on hand that includes some fun with the family. Is that what's happening for Great Wolf Lodge?
Oh, absolutely. I don't like to just talk about great places. I like to make them available to everybody. So I'm teaming up with Great Wolf to give a stay for up to 2 adults and 2 kids, including some wolf passes. All you have to do is go to my social media at the Travel Mom on Facebook and Instagram to enter and follow along and see what I love so much about Great Wolf.
Sounds good to me. And okay, before we let you go, learning a little bit more about you and a little bit more about Great Wolf Lodge, where can we go for both things?
Greatwolf.com.
Sounds good to me. Emily, thank you so much for your time. And I just have to tell you before I let you go, happy Halloween. I love the orange top. It looks fabulous on you, my friend.
Thank you.
Lovely. All right, guys, the preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by the Travel Mom.